how to turn off specific group notifications vibrate on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off specific group notifications vibrate on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and select here any group you want, like this one, and then click on your group profile here and click custom notifications, and here you will find this one, vibrate. Just click on it and then click off, and that's it. Now go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.